All right, so what we want to do right now is we want to wire up the potentiometer. So in order to do that, we're going to put the potentiometer into 3 of the holes on the breadboard like this. You can't wire it like this because on the breadboard, these holes all in one row are connected underneath. And so if you did it like this, all of the pins on the potentiometer would be connected to each other, and that's not what we want. What we want to do is we want to put them into 3 different rows like this. And then what we want to do is we want to take the first pin, and again, since these are all connected underneath, this first pin right here is connected to this jumper wire. All right, so we take that first jumper and we're going to plug it into the 5 volts pin on the Arduino. So we take the other end of the jumper and plug it into the 5 volts. All right, the other end, the other side of the potentiometer is going to go to ground. So again, this pin is connected to this jumper cable because everything in this row is all connected. So now we take the end of this jumper cable that's coming from the other side of the potentiometer and plug it into any one of these that says ground on it. So GND, that stands for ground. There's one over there. There's also one over here, but we're going to save this one for our LED when we wire that. So I'm going to plug it into one of these grounds over here just by plugging it in. Okay, the last wire goes to the middle prong of the potentiometer. So it's going to go in the same row as that middle prong. And then we take that one, and since the potentiometer is an analog device, we're going to plug it into one of the analog ports on the Arduino. So for this one, I'm going to plug it into A0. And that is how you wire a potentiometer.